Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to quickly change the location sticker color on your Instagram stories. For this, I've already made a story right here, and we don't want to click on the location sticker. What you want to do is go to text and then click on location. Then you can just type in the location that you want. And now here it's black and white, but if you click to the color scheme like this and then on the left, then you can just adjust it however you like. For example, let's take just this one, and now you have it like this here. And of course, if you just click it, then it changes like this. Okay, that was a little hack on how to quickly change the location sticker color on your Instagram stories. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.